Bro, why they make gummy bears so hard to chew? Like, here, gummy bear. It's Hasbro. Not Hasbro, what? Hair, Hairbro. Harry bro. I don't know. You have to do like 102 chews just to get through it. Brody. I remember when gummy bears weren't this tough. It was great. Now what is this? Why are they all the same flavor? We'll just suck at tasting stuff. They're not the same flavor. I just suck at tasting stuff apparently. I got COVID. A cough. Oh, somebody's dog's running away. There you go. Bro, why are they so hard to chew? Make them easier.